Yeah, I don't know. So, you think you're gonna be able to fix it?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe because I'm not a quick retailer.
I doubt it.
Doubt it.
I highly doubt it. How did I get full subs? I did like nothing. Well,
Oh,
Josh
wait,
is one sub, you're one sub. What other two people actually subbed?
I just got dust in my eyes. That's probably what it was.
Maybe.
I'm gonna sue you for that.
What? I'm taking the video and I'm gonna put it on my channel. I'm gonna say how to fix an Xbox.
You're an ass.
I am. And people are gonna click on this.
Huh?
People are gonna click on this thinking they're actually going to learn how to do an Xbox, but they're only gonna give me 1/8 of a cent.
Yeah, you do it by getting an idiot to do it for you, which I'm not gonna do it because I'm not an idiot.
I tried.